the third staging of the St. Thomas Fireworks tree lighting celebration here inside the Red and the Park. Another historical moment here for the people of St. Thomas. No longer the forgotten parish. It's been stepping up, and we have set the trend right across Jamaica for fireworks at the local parish level. You must be proud of yourself, proud of your municipality, community, who spent millions each year to make this the event it is and the success it has been over the years. And we pray that every successive mayor continue to make this part of their priority for the people of this parish. St. Thomas, do you love it? Let me hear you. Give it up for yourself, give it up for your parish. It's our annual tree lighting and fireworks exhibition. Here taking place once again inside Rudolph Elder Park 2024. And we continue to pray that each and every one of us will live to go into 2025 and beyond and keep it clean and incident free. Here, St. Thomas, it's your parish. Once again, we're here, creating history for another year. Not the big of St. Thomas events, who's always here with us in the planning stage. The municipality community, want to big them up just the same. Want to big up some of our many sponsors. Andrea in Cosmetics, The Deck, Rollers Clothing and more. JB Funeral Supplies, Best of Jamaica Boilers, Seafood Unipet, Dyson Gas, Sterling Bakery, Young Sam, Baptist Funeral Home, Dick Giselle, Eustace C. Lee, One Stop, Chunks and Hardware, Fix Furniture, Food for the Poor, NCB, Rubbies, Scott's Machine Shop, JZ Valley Supermarket, and those giving us the fireworks. Pioneers Explosives International Limited. St. Thomas, you're seeing what many people have to journey to the waterfront each year to see. And you're getting it even longer than what Kingston get each year. Ours is awesome. Kingston don't even get this amount. And for this length of time, St. Thomas, it's a joy for your parish. Love your parish. Continue to build your parish. It is yours. This is a massive, massive firework. This is no joke thing, no play thing. You see how long your firework taking place tonight? Massive. You deserve it. You deserve it. It's our parish, and we continue to invest. Pick up everybody who journey from near and others. So, Shop Star inside the building likewise. So the concert continues. Yes, St.